If you're marketing online, the sexiest phrase today is copy and paste my strategies for a seven-figure payday. It must be, or it wouldn't keep showing up in my email box every single day and twice on Sundays. So what are these easy, simple strategies that make you so stinking rich? Cross my palm with silver, and I shall reveal the secrets of the universe to you and you alone. And you. Maybe you. Definitely not you. According to crack researcher Swami Steve, there are 6,327 easy strategies for marketing domination. But the secret to success with all of them is one that no guru wants you to know. It's a secret so closely guarded that once I tell you, I'll have to go into hiding. Not that that would be a big stretch for me, but this is something you really need to understand so that you can get off the hamster wheel of tactics. Let's explore how these copy and paste strategies really work. They always begin with a sexy come-on like how to get to #1 on Google by next week, or 3 days from now, or by the end of the day, or instantly. It doesn't matter. It's always 6 to 12 steps that boil down to 3. Analyze the competition, copy what they're doing, then make better content than they do. Wait, what? Okay, I get that those first 2 steps are the copy and paste part, but the content, that's the hard part. That's the part I really need help with, especially if I haven't been doing this for very long. It doesn't matter if it's SEO, copywriting, script writing, funnel strategy, video production and sequencing, whatever. It all truly comes down to the quality of your content. If you nail that part, your strategy can be as slim as a supermodel on a weekly water fast. In the last video, I talked about how YouTube rewards good content by making it bingeable, and that this is one of the very best ways to welcome new clients into your world. It creates a lot of trust and desire to go in a fresh new direction. So how do you make your content better than the competition? Especially when people don't respond predictably to logical incentives. And today, with all the rebalancing that's going on in the world, we humans are harder to figure out than ever. So here's a tip you can take to the bank. Consider what would happen if we put marketing on the back burner for now and started being of more service to one another. Maybe stop thinking like a salesman and more like a doctor. A doctor doesn't attend lead swapping events or chase potential patients or use false scarcity or greed or fear of missing out. He listens and observes and then prescribes. He doesn't assume he knows what you need until he's had a good look at you and or your records. Now, it's your content that brings someone to your virtual office so that you can do the diagnosing. So your work needs to build trust in your competence. It also needs to do a few other things, like demonstrate how your solution among all other solutions is the preferred one, that it will work for that particular person and not just humanity in general, and that that person can see themselves in the after state. A good doctor would include all those steps. Anyway, that's why the gurus can't do this for you. They can't possibly know enough about you to make that kind of diagnosis. The power of helping. My friend Chris Harmon does an incredible job at this in his live weekly YouTube marathon Q&A. Chris is one of the most popular teachers on Udemy with over 1 million students. He doesn't market, he just helps. Of course, there's more to it than that. He knows how to speak to them. On his live broadcasts, people show up from all over the world and he just spends hours answering questions. Then one of those answers goes back up on YouTube every single day in a fun little, well-produced 2-minute video. So, that's today's tip. Stop marketing, start helping, and watch your binge-worthy factor rise. And if you want to get good at this, I mean really good, it might help to know that this is one of the main things we accomplish with our members in the inner circle. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time on The Visible Authority.